Hey folks, man, this is Monk, and we back with another episode of Monk's Box, your unboxing video series, man. And shout out to Yenny the Kid, man, for letting me borrow these kicks so I can show you guys today. Today we're going to be looking at an Air Force One, and this is the Air Force 107 Paranoids. And right off the bat, this box is pretty unique. I love the slide-out box style, but we've also got it decorated with a bunch of graffiti art, you know? So that's a pretty interesting detail right off the top, you know. So open it up, sliding it out. We've also get some interesting box paper. You know, I always like when they, do these little slight, customized flourishes, you know. But get a look at this shoe. Yeah, wow. So right off the top, we got an Air Force One sneaker. And there's some interesting details going on. First of all, you see these marks on the side painted on. I think that's a pretty cool touch. There's one going down the back, as well as on the other side. Another interesting detail, we've got fat laces, stock. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to go out and buy your own. You know, right here, we get this cool daisy also placed on it. Another batch of laces right here. Another interesting feature, if you look at the size of these lace holes, they're huge. I think that's also to accommodate these fat laces, but as well as these, they look like earrings in a way, more like the plugs that people put in, into their ears sometimes. And I guess you could put those inside these larger holes right here, just to add some more, customization to your shoe. We also get a tag. I think this doubles as a sticker as well. It says Air Force One Paranoids on it, and Air Force 88. But the biggest feature about this shoe is the nature of its paint. So it almost looks like a plaster, and if you really look at it close, you can kind of see a design peeking through. And what's going to happen is this stuff it wears away or it can be removed, and underneath we'll get the pattern that's also on the side of the box as well as on the insole right here. It's also interesting that the sole here is kind of stained, with those same kind of marks. It's almost like a burnout mark. But yeah, these are pretty cool, man. I'm not really big on Air Force Ones usually, but these definitely stand out enough to make a mark, you know what I'm saying, they're just dope. Yeah, that's it, man. I think I'm going to be out, man. I'm not going to hold you. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back for more, man. Once again, shout out to Yenny the Kid, man. All right, folks. Peace.